How do I thicken watery chili?
Hey there, chili lovers! We've all been there. You've put your heart and soul into making that perfect pot of chili, only to find it's too watery. Don't fret. In this video, we're going to explore several effective methods to thicken up that watery chili and make it hearty and delicious.
Why did my chili become watery?
Before we dive into solutions, it's crucial to understand why our chili might become watery. There are a few common culprits. 1. Excess liquid, adding too much broth or water. 2. High water content ingredients. Vegetables like tomatoes can release a lot of moisture as they cook. 3. Not enough simmering time. Chili often thickens as it simmers and reduces. Understanding the reason can help you prevent the issue next time.
Using a thickening agent.
One of the quickest fixes is to use a thickening agent. Here are some popular choices. 1. Cornstarch. Mix a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch with cold water to make a slurry, then stir it into your chili. Bring it to a simmer until the chili thickens. The key here is to avoid lumps, so make sure to mix the slurry well. 2. Masa harina. This is a type of corn flour used in making tortillas. Sprinkle it into your chili, stirring constantly to get a richer and thicker texture. 3. Flour. Like with cornstarch, make a slurry with flour and water, then mix it into your chili. Simmer until thickened.
Letting it simmer.
One of the most natural methods, but it requires a bit of patience. 1. Increase the heat. Bring your chili to a strong simmer. 2. Remove the lid. This will allow the excess moisture to evaporate. 3. Stir occasionally. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. 4. Watch the time. Letting your chili simmer for an extended period can intensify flavors and thicken the consistency. Remember, low and slow is the key to a thick, flavorful chili.
Additional techniques.
If you want more options or want to combine methods, here are some additional techniques. 1. Mashing the beans. If your chili has beans, mashing some of them releases their natural starches, which can help in thickening. 2. Reducing added liquids. Next time, consider adding less broth or water initially and then adjusting as needed. 3. Draining canned ingredients. Ensure that you drain and rinse canned beans or other vegetables to reduce excess liquid. Now you're armed with multiple ways to tackle that watery chili situation. Whether you're using a thickening agent, letting it simmer, or trying out another technique, your chili will be back to its hearty consistency in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your perfectly thickened chili.